Hello, welcome to our Malinde Kilifi North Birdwalks. So we had a birdwalk at Lake Jilore again, 27th August. Lake Jilore is a seasonal lake and it is near Arabuko Sokoke forest. Birds that are likely to be seen there are water birds. These birds are that lives on or around water, like herons, egrets, among other birds. More than 30 bird species were spotted. Here are some of the highlights: Scaly Babbler, golden palm weaver, Madagascan Pratincole, violet-backed Starling, African Openbill, and red Cormorant, among other birds. We got up to 20 participants, which was amazing. We've never had such a large number. Yeah, so some of the participants came from different places. Most of them come from the Kenyan coast. We got a visitor from Nairobi. She knew about us from the social media, Facebook handles. So she wanted to join us. And so we communicated and she came, she joined the group and she loved the walk. So to everyone out there, feel free to contact me. The bird walks are open to everyone, so you are so welcomed. Please like and follow me for more videos to come. Thank you.